everyone, for supper tonight I'll be making a beef pie. What all goes into the beef pie? I'll be using 1 frozen 9-inch deep dish pie crust, 1 pound ground beef. I will be using the African beef, which is a Watusi burger, 1 pound, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 medium green pepper chopped, 1 clove garlic minced, and I already had the minced kind, 1/4 cup ketchup, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon dried marjoram, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 10-ounce package of frozen chopped spinach, thawed and squeezed, 3 large eggs lightly beaten, 2 cups cheddar cheese shredded, divided, and 1 large tomato seeded and diced. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. Take a large skillet over medium heat. Add your beef. Mine is a Watusi. Delicious, delicious. We got that from Dave's parents in Texas. Then add your 1 onion chopped and your 1 green pepper chopped. And Buddy's waiting for me to drop things. And the 1 clove of minced garlic. And cook while crumbling the meat until no longer pink, 5 to 7 minutes. This is a lean meat. I might not have to drain it, but if you need to drain it after it's done, go ahead and drain it. This is where Buddy likes to hang out when I'm cooking. And as you can see, he's just right in the way. All right, so the beef is no longer pink. And as you can see, there's not really very much to drain. So I'm not going to drain it. You can just take a paper towel and wipe it up if you don't have a whole lot, which is what I will do. Then take your 1/4 cup of ketchup, pour it into the beef mixture, your 1 teaspoon of salt, your 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of dried marjoram, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and mix that thoroughly. All right, then fold in your squeezed spinach, and I'm going to squeeze more as I go just because I didn't think I got all of it out, and I really didn't. So you don't really want anything to soak through the crust. I know it looks like little balls here because I'm doing excess squeezing just to make sure. And you can probably use, if you have a tofu press, I was thinking about using my tofu press. That would help really squeeze the liquid out of the spinach. Then just fold in your spinach to combine. Spread it out a little bit. And we're just going to fold it in so it's completely mixed in. We don't want it all in the middle like it is there. All right, then shut that off and let it cool for a little bit. So now that it has cooled just a little bit, add the eggs and 1 cup of the cheddar cheese to the beef mixture and stir to combine. But we want it all mixed in. We're not cooking the eggs, we're just getting them mixed in. They will set in the oven. So we're going to take our pie crust and spoon the meat mixture into the pie crust. I'm trying not to get the liquid. The liquid is actually from the spinach because I didn't get it squeezed as much as I should have. So I'm just making sure I don't put the liquid in there. Okay, so then I'm going to spread this out to the edges. It's pretty full. Put your beef pie in a preheated 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. until the center is set and the crust is golden brown. After 28 minutes, I took it out of the oven. It looks set up. It's got a nice golden brown. Put your chopped up tomatoes on the top. Make sure they're spread out. You don't want them too overcrowding. You want them to look nice. Then put your last cup of cheese on top of the tomatoes. All around the edges, in the middle. And then put that back into the oven for 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese has melted. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and then we can dish up. So here is the beef pie. It kind of fell apart. And rounding out the meal is pickle spears. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Okay. This looks different.
That is a beef pie.
Beef pie. Okay.
With Watusi meat.
Alrighty.
It's got spinach in it, green peppers, onions, tomatoes, cheese.
It's got a good flavor. There's some crunchy stuff in there too, probably the peppers. It's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.